In the fitness industry, age is often considered as an obstacle. However, one exceptional person is defying this notion. Meet Mike Millen, an energetic 70-year-old grandfather from Kent, United Kingdom, whose passion for exploration has made him a global inspiration. Mike defies the expectations associated with aging, staying vibrant and passionate about life, particularly his love for the outdoors. Mike, born on February 7, 1953, has made a name for himself in the fitness industry and gained 15,000 Instagram followers. His toned body and daring adventures captured the attention of his audience. Mike's favorite workout spot is nature, where he does unconventional exercises among the stunning scenery of sandy beaches, thick woods, and cool lakes. His unusual approach to fitness reflects his drive to push limits and embrace the unfamiliar. Instead of restricting himself to a traditional gym, Mike enjoys the challenge and fulfillment of unpredictable outside sports. He tackles every activity with steadfast enthusiasm, whether swimming in icy waters, hiking through dense forests, or running on sandy coasts. What makes Mike unique is that he has been taking cold showers in his garden daily for the past 4 years as part of a routine. This unusual regimen represents Mike's dedication to challenging himself and accepting suffering to achieve maximum health and energy. He believes that mental and emotional toughness are just as many advantages of cold exposure as physical health. Mike Millen is a living example of how age is just a number, and that actual vitality comes from embracing the unknown and relishing every moment of the journey. He is an adventurous person who lives life on his terms. Fitness is more than just a physical appearance for Mike Millen. It's a way of life that affects every facet of his existence, including his role as a grandfather. Having 2 grandkids, ages 8 and 10, Mike understands the value of leading by example and staying in shape for a fulfilling life. His commitment to fitness boosts his physical health, general well-being, and relationships. Mike said in a recent interview that being fit has given him an excellent quality of life and he benefits daily. Putting his health and vitality first, Mike encourages his grandchildren to be active and embrace life's opportunities. Mike's outdoor exercises allow him and his family to bond and create treasured memories, whether running on sandy beaches or swimming in cold lakes. Furthermore, Mike feels satisfied and has a purpose because of his dedication to exercise. His active lifestyle keeps him full of energy and inspires him to take on new challenges and experiences with boundless excitement. Mike encourages others to see exercise as a doorway to a fuller and more vibrant life, rather than just a means to an end by setting an example. Mike Millen believes that simplicity is the key to fitness, reflected in his diet approach. He follows a straightforward yet powerful mantra regarding his meals. It's not complicated, just well-balanced. Mike's diet focuses on avoiding processed meals and providing his body with healthful, nutrient-rich foods. Rather than artificial additives, which are often included in many processed foods, his meals are rich in healthy fats. For Mike Millen, a typical day begins with a single slice of toast and a cup of coffee for breakfast. He chooses a piece of fruit and a cup of tea for his mid-morning snack. He typically has a lunch sandwich with tuna or chicken and an egg or side salad. He has another cup of tea in the afternoon and dinner, which is around 8 o'clock in the evening and consists of chicken or fish, a variety of vegetables, and some carbohydrates. Mike only eats a little red meat because he prioritizes his general health and vigor over eating large amounts of it. Mike ensures he's giving his body the nutrition it needs to function at its peak by following a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. His diet's simplicity and balance evidence his steadfast dedication to preserving optimal health and energy while aging gracefully. Mike Millen's workout regimen exemplifies how crucial consistency is to reaching and sustaining ideal fitness levels. Even at 70 years old, Mike keeps up a strict weekly schedule that includes a variety of exercises designed to target various muscle groups and enhance general physical health. He works out his upper body and legs through dynamic calisthenics, running, co-working, leg exercises, and climbing. Mike ensures he's improving flexibility, balance, agility, strength, and endurance by mixing up various activities. Consistency is at the core of Mike's approach to fitness. He recognizes the need for regular exercise to maintain a healthy lifestyle and prioritizes incorporating exercise into his everyday schedule. Even when he may not feel like working out, Mike emphasizes the significance of pushing through and staying committed to his fitness goals. Furthermore, Mike understands the value of relaxation and recovery during the fitness regimen. He pays attention to his body's needs and takes break days when necessary to give himself enough time to recover and avoid becoming hurt or overexerted. Mike inspires people of all ages who want to live active, healthy lifestyles because of his unwavering commitment to a well-rounded workout regimen. His dedication to consistency is a powerful reminder that reaching and sustaining ideal fitness levels is a marathon rather than a sprint. Besides his outdoor pursuits, Mike Millen has embraced digital media as a teacher for life now, an advanced virtual fitness platform based in the United Kingdom. Using this platform, Mike shares his wealth of knowledge and experience with a broader audience, expanding his reach beyond his immediate surroundings. Mike uses technology to inspire and motivate people of all ages and fitness levels. He offers virtual gym ball sessions and calisthenics lessons twice a week. By embracing virtual fitness leadership, Mike demonstrates his commitment to making fitness accessible to everyone, regardless of location or circumstances. In Mike's opinion, age or ability should never be a deterrent. When beginning a fitness journey, he urges people to pick a program that suits their needs and interests and promotes diversity. Mike believes it's critical to determine what exercises are most effective for each individual, whether it be gym ball workouts, calisthenics, or another type of physical activity. Mike's virtual fitness leadership enables people to take charge of their health and well-being by providing direction, support, and encouragement at every stage. For individuals who want to start their fitness journey or add intensity to their current regimen, his virtual classes are a great source of encouragement and inspiration. Mike Millen is changing people's lives worldwide by using technology to communicate with others and share his love of fitness. He shows that age is just a number and that anyone can reach their fitness goals with the correct support system, perseverance, and dedication through his virtual fitness leadership. Mike Millen's unconventional practice of ending each day with a cold shower highlights the remarkable impact of such practices on overall well-being. In addition to its physical advantages, exposure to cold has been connected to enhanced resilience and emotional well-being. For Mike, taking a cold shower is more than simply a refreshing experience. It's a daily routine that boosts his immunity, enhances his sleep quality, and cultivates optimism. Mike challenges himself and develops resilience by putting himself through the discomfort of cold water, which benefits him in other aspects of his life. Moreover, Mike's positive mindset is evident in his consistent efforts to challenge himself and maintain optimal fitness. Even at his advanced age, he has a bold and daring approach to life. People close to him find inspiration in his spirit of adventure and dedication to personal development. Through his example, Mike demonstrates that age is no barrier to leading an active and fulfilling life. By embracing challenges and maintaining a positive outlook, he defies the limitations often associated with aging, inspiring others to do the same. In a society where growing older is typically associated with declining physical activity and energy, Mike Millen is an exceptional example of the strength of optimism and resilience. His dedication to taking cold showers and maintaining an optimistic outlook highlights that actual well-being includes physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Mike Millen's journey celebrates life, adventure, and the unwavering spirit that defies age rather than just being about fitness. Mike demonstrates that age is just a number and that anyone can reach and maintain peak physical condition with the correct mentality and lifestyle choices. His commitment to consistency, positivity, and a well-balanced approach to life is a powerful reminder that the adventure of a fulfilling and active life knows no age limits. For more fitness inspiration and tips on living a fulfilling life, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember, age is just a number, and with dedication and positivity, you can achieve anything. Thanks for watching, and see you in the following video.